The Australian share market is having a positive session. That's despite inflation over in the US last night coming in hotter than expected. We did see US bond yields rising, but the equity markets did ignore it, and the US stock market was up 1.3% overnight. The Australian share market following suit with a rise of 0.8%. And earnings reports coming thick and fast today. The winners today are Telstra, Origin, Breville, as well as the ASX, which are all seeing gains in share price. We have a look at Telstra. Net profit was actually down by 4.9%, earnings EBITDA down by 2.5%, but revenue up by 5.9%, although revenue excluding finance up by only 0.8%. The interim dividend of 11 cents is in line with the cut to the dividend policy, which was announced at the full year results in August, and the shares are trading higher. Origin announced a loss, but that was due to write-downs flagged last week due to its Australia Pacific LNG project. Underlying earnings jumped, more than doubling to $428 million, beating expectations, and also a lift in guidance for raw earnings from the energy markets for Origin to $1.78 to $1.85 billion from its previous forecast of $1.7 to $1.8 billion. Some of the losers in earnings season today include Suncorp Medway, Sonic Healthcare, Healthscope, IPH, as well as South32. Suncorp Medway shares down by 3%. It looks like the house storm in Victoria saw its natural disaster claims $65 million above its allowance. But it says its outlook for the second half is stronger due to favourable operating conditions. And Sonic Healthcare missing expectations, its first half profit at $228 million, up by 16%. The company, though, saying it's on track to achieve its full year guidance of 6 to 8% growth. And finally, IPH not having a good day. The shares down by 17% after underlying earnings EBITDA fell by 8.8%. So all in all, a good day for the Aussie share market, being led up by commodities, but pretty much green across the board on the market today.